सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to our channel DG Vidya. Today we'll learn how to make a drop down menu using CSS and HTML. So here we go with Visual Studio Code. So after opening Visual Studio Code, so first we make a folder on my desktop. So I name it drop down and I just copy and paste an image inside the folder, and the name of the image is dgbg.jpg. I just make an folder and paste an image. So after that I open my Visual Studio Code. So in Studio Code now I am going to create a new file and just save this file in desktop drop down and name this file index.html, right? Then I just save this file. I write down HTML for make a menu. So I define a div class and name it menu. So inside div class I am writing UL order list, and inside UL I want to put my menu in as a list item. So I write down home and make sure it inside the UL. Control C copy and paste it. How many buttons you need? So I need 5 buttons. So home, about, services, our blogs, and the last one will be contact us. These are my menus, and I want to make service as my drop down menu inside the service li. So I start here order list item, and in order list item I want to start it a list, and here Photoshop, and I just Control C copy and paste here, right? The Illustrator, Adobe XD, After Effects, HTML and CSS. So this menu basically inside my service menu. Okay, so that's all. This is basically for HTML. Then I go to file and just save this file. Okay, now the next step is I create a new file, and a new file I save it first. I save it in drop down folder, name is style.css. It's simple. Then I press save button, margin 0, padding 0. I just save this and open my index. This is in drop down menu. So when I open my index file in browser, but my margin and padding is not working right now because the CSS file is not linked to it, my HTML one. So what I do, I just go back to HTML, I'm an index file, and then press enter and link file here. So I want to link, and relation is my style sheet, and my hyperlink is style.css, and close the tab and just save this. I came back to my browser and look how it behaves. It universally margin 0 and padding 0. It's work properly basically. So go back to my studio code. In studio code I am go back to my CSS file, and now I am define my body, so because I want to put an image here. So in body I just want to put an image. So for image the background URL is, I have shown that my URL dgbg.jpg. So write down dgbg.jpg. I just save this file first, and I will show you how it works. My image is showing in my browser. So I want to specify this image, like my background size is cover, so it will cover whole my browser, and my background position is in center, left center, right center, and I don't repeat my background. So here I write down background repeat and no repeat, and height will be 100 vertical height. So I just save this and open my browser and the refresh how my image is look, right? Now I want to styling my menu. So I define menu as a class. So I write here dot menu, width is 1200 pixels, and margin of my menu is 0, and auto. Save this file, then go back to my browser. Look, 1200 from here to here it will be 1200, margin 0 and auto, top 0 and right left are auto. Okay, so after styling my menu, I want to omit the dot. The dot are basically in UL form, so I define dot menu and another list, right? And name it list style. I define none. So here what happened right now, just look at my browser and just look at the dots. The dots are omitted basically, right, in menu UL. So after my UL menu, I just want to style my dot menu UL and LI. Inside the UL LI, the main menus, the home, about, I need my background will be orange, width I need 200 pixels, height I need 50 pixels is my height is 50%, and line height also 50%, it means it come in center. And I need my text alignment also in center. So after text alignment, and all these ULLI float left, and my text color will be in white. I need white text color, and font family, font sensory Vardhana, and font weight I need bolder font, yes, bolder font, and font size will be 16 pixels is good, and position relative. So I just save my CSS and came back to my browser and just refresh. Look how it looks. Okay, I just styling my UL, means home, about, services, blocks and contact. Now I want to styling these one UL LI. I just styling my dot menu UL LI hover. Hover means when mouse over my cursor on the bottom, the background will be changed. So background is, I need a gray color, yes, background gray when I mouse over on my LI menu. So I just save this and open to browser and just refresh it. Look, so it's so easy to make a menu like this, right? So after over menu, I just styling menu UL and then UL. The last UL is my Photoshop Illustrator one. So I define display none. It means it's hide. File, save. Look, display none. UL and UL. And then after that, I just styling menu UL LI hover. When I over the LI, and UL will be work like display block. So it's so easy to make a drop down menu like this. So I open my browser and just refresh. Just look how it works. So guys, if you like this video, so please subscribe our channel and feel free to share with your friends. Thank you. Thanks a lot.